How's everybody doing? Please like and subscribe. Today we are working on the 2006 Silverado Cat Eye. We will start with replacing the headlights and the LEDs, along with a light bar behind the grille, followed by factory fog lights and dash switch. It has made a significant difference in the looks of the truck. Operation is perfect, allowing the use of headlights, high beams, and fog lights at the same time. Now we deal with hyperflash, which is a common problem when you switch to LEDs. There are different ways to deal with this. I just changed out the flasher relay to a LM474, which solved the problem instantly. Thank you for stopping by. Please look for my next video.